Damn, good stuff.
Man, they really got some great shots of the night sky towards the end there. Must have used some incredible equipment to get that stuff.
I mean, if you're a big Hollywood studio with that kind of budget, it's not that hard, man. Plus, it's mostly CGI, and given technology these days, could probably capture something like that on my phone. Plus, Hollywood is just all smoke and mirrors.
No, I don't think you could replicate that level of star shots without pro-grade equipment in your phone. I don't see that happening.
I've done some astrophotography before. I can get something close enough at least. In fact, I'm willing to bet. What if we actually took our motorcycles out and tried to get something, maybe the best shot we can possibly get just using our phones?
That sounds great fun and everything, but have you seen the smog around right now? There's no way you'll get photos of the stars in Mumbai.
Dude, we don't have to be inside Mumbai. We have our motorcycles. We can use our stars and go hunting for some stars. I've already got a spot for myself, so I'm sorted. You're gonna have to figure something out for yourself though.
I've got a guy I can call in a favor with. I'll try that. Navigating the madness of Mumbai's roads, that's where the Highness shines. Before I head out and hit the open road though, there's something I need to pick up. Smooth low-end torque, and just look at that upright seating position. Perfect for both long hours in city traffic and big miles on the open road.
Unlike Zaran, I actually have a plan. It's straight to the highway for me. Leaving the city behind feels amazing on the RS. The riding posture is sporty but not punishing. And I bet I look stylish too, courtesy of the RS's standout design.
A comfy seat, great mirrors, and this is my favorite bit. The classic exhaust note that turns heads everywhere. It's gonna take more than a few bumps and potholes to cause a problem for me, because the suspension setup here is absolutely spot on.
Situated just 90 kilometers from Mumbai, the Dark Matters Observatory in Narayangaon is home of amateur astronomy in Maharashtra. And with a whole host of amateur-grade research telescopes, this is the perfect place for me to thwart Zaran's hopes for beating me in this competition.
It's been a great ride to get here. But the real fun begins now. Time to get some stunning shots through the telescope. When Gavin sees the photos, he won't know what hit him. Man, what a great night. Some epic riding, and I got some stunning shots. You ready for the big reveal?
Sure, but you go first so that I can see the look on your face when I show you what I've got.
Oh, that's not gonna happen. I called in a favor, which means I managed to get these. Check it out. What do you think?
Wow,
Right?
that actually is quite impressive, but it still pales in comparison to what I've got.
Nah, no way.
Check these out.
Oh, what? Whoa! No way. There's no way you clicked these yourself. You cheated.
Says the guy with the telescope. I mean, I did get some help from the Dark Matters Observatory at Narayangao, so there's that.
Man, credit where it's due. These are some gorgeous photographs. But you still cheated, so I win.
That's debatable, but it's okay. I'll buy you some chai on the way to make you feel better.
Sounds good.